Hi guys, so I'm here today to talk to you about an exciting new product that I just got. So this is the HBPS battery jump starter. So you use this on your car. Right now we're having issues with one of our vehicles coming out and it's dead in the morning. This starts it in a couple of seconds and we are ready to go. So this jump starter can start your car up to 40 times on one charge, so super powerful. It will work on gas vehicles up to 8 liters and diesel vehicles up to 6.5 liters. So really packs quite a punch as far as power is concerned. It has a peak current of about 2,000 amps and it will start your car in extreme weather down to -4 Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 Fahrenheit. So you can really count on this to make sure that your car is going to start. So when you turn this guy on, it will show you how much power you have left. So I'm at 96% and I actually already jump started our car once today. So just one start only took 4% of the battery. So that 40 starts per charge is definitely true. So this guy actually has multiple uses. So you can also use this in an emergency as a flashlight. So you will press and hold that button down there. So it will light up just as a regular flashlight, and then it will also do 2 different kinds of strobes. So definitely useful in an emergency situation for that. It also has 2 USB ports as well as a USB-C port in there. So I will show you. So you can use it as a power bank for your vehicles as well as an emergency jump starter for your car. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like, how to jumpstart your car, and what a great job this product does. The other nice thing about this product is that they have a 2-year quality assurance program as well as 24/7 customer service. If you're having any issues, they're great about getting back with you. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I highly recommend you get one of these. These are great for any emergency situations. Thanks, guys. Bye.